Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to make the perfect mixtape shake in Alight Motion. I'll explain everything step by step with the exact settings, so you can easily recreate this effect for your own edits. If you enjoyed the tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. That's it for this tutorial. If it helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more Alight Motion tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching!